applying the time remapping effect. The time remapping effect allows us to play things in slow motion or in fast motion. So I have a video here, down here, and I'm just going to pick on it, right click, and I'm going to go to speed and duration. In here, if I speed it up, let's say to 300%, it'll be 3 times quicker. So notice my clip got shorter and it goes a whole lot quicker. Now it needs to be rendered because it's a red bar, a whole lot quicker. If I right click, go back to speed and duration, and I set it to say 50%, it gets longer in the timeline, and if I play it, it'll run really slow at half the speed, and it was already slow. And it needs to be rendered because I'm red here. Now, that's one way of doing it. And I'm going to go back, and I'm going to go back to my speed and duration. I'll set it at 100%. Okay. Another way we can do this is I can right click on this, and I'm going to go down to the bottom of my list here. And I want to say show clip keyframes. I want to go to time remapping and speed. And now I can come in here and hold my control key down. I want to hold my control key down. I can pick, I made a keyframe here, and I made a keyframe here. Now I can come in here and I can speed this up by pulling this bar up right here. And I'll do that again. I'll come over here and hold a control key, and I'll hold another control key, and with my left mouse I'm picking, and then I'm just going to grab it with my left mouse and I'm going to pull this down. So I'm pulling it down. So I sped it up, it's normal speed, and then I slowed it down. Alright, so what I'll do is I'm going to render this, and then I'll edit this, and then I'll show you the results. So I'm finishing up with the rendering. I just hit enter. It's rendering because it's red up on the top up here, and it's changed it to green. So now I'm playing at 100% normal speed, and then I sped it up so it's fast speed, back to normal speed. Then I went to slow motion. I slowed it down. Okay, and then it's going to go back to normal speed. All right, and so I have basically keyframed my time remapping effect. So we have a couple of ways of doing it. I could do the time remapping to the whole clip. I just right click and change my duration, or I can go in and put some keyframes in and slow it down and speed it up in different spots within the timeline.